made it, man.
But you're late.
Ah, my bad.
Come.
Dude, did you see the news? There's so much drama, man. It's scary.
Yet another pop star found with coffee in her car. The youth of my country is being misled. And it is a conspiracy of national and international proportions. But what can we expect when the role models are constantly endorsing this kind of lifestyle? We go live to our reporter outside the pop star's house. हाँ भंडारी जी क्या हो रहा है वहाँ पे?
Oh, man.
Apparently there was a bus down south, so no more mal, bro.
I heard somebody got shot, man. And there's trouble everywhere.
हाय मॉम।
हाय बेटा, गुड मॉर्निंग। अच्छा कहाँ है?
मॉम आई हैड अ मीटिंग इन एन आवर, सो मुझे प्रेप करना था, दैट्स व्हाई।
कुछ खा के तो जाती ना। Did you make something? I don't know, there's some strange smell in the kitchen.
Oh, okay, man.
Nice.
What are you doing to mask the smell?
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
बस कुछ नहीं बेटा, वो चाय पी रहे और न्यूज़ देख रहे। पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है दुनिया में, आजकल के बच्चे भी ना बेफिक्र कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं।
ऑलराइट, ग्रेट मॉम। लिसन, आई हैव टू गो, आई विल कॉल यू लेटर, ओके? बाय।
बाय।
Thanks, bud.
Thank you. See you.
Take care.
Bye. Take care. Bye. Hey babe, what's up?
Just finished a meeting. Yeah, what's up with you?
I was delivering some coffee. You need some?
No, I have my thermos, but listen, you be careful, okay? This TV drama is really becoming like a whole thing, you know? And like people are actually going crazy, they are panicking.
Can you call Anisha right now?
You know, I just received a hilarious ad. Yeah, people are forwarding it. I'm just gonna send it to you. You watch it. It's hilarious. It's too funny.
Okay, sure. And you know I'm not a dealer or something, and I'm just helping Roshan out. That's it. Okay?
Just hold on one second. Listen, I'm getting a call. I'll speak to you later, okay? Bye. Yeah?
Even one sip can lead you astray. I see so many patients who tell me that coffee grows naturally, it's not harmful, that they enjoy it. But they have all become addicts who don't understand the dangers of this substance. Coffee might thrill, but it definitely kills.
आप लोग यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं? Everything is okay? Why didn't you call before coming here?
As if you don't know. We need to go home right now.
Are you mad, Mom? I have work.
Anisha, we need to talk.
Seriously. Conference room. Check out. Okay, tell me what happened.
Come on. Don't act as if you don't know anything, okay? Criminal activities, what the hell is this? मुझे मेरा चार्जर नहीं मिल रहा था. I went to your room. मुझे लगा ड्रॉवर में होगा. I opened the drawer and I found this. This.
So you came all the way for this? I mean, रात तक आप लोग वेट नहीं कर सकते थे?
Anisha, this is not something small. Normally हम वेट कर सकते थे, but you are not seeing what is happening in the country. बेटा, this is crime.
सब लोग पीते हैं कॉफी. Science has proved that it improves energy. Okay, it's legal in many places.
Do you really think police will care?
Why would the police care, mom? Exactly my point. उनके पास और कोई काम नहीं है क्या?
I always used to say, I'm so happy, I'm so lucky I have a daughter. But you're acting worse than a son.
What does that have to do with anything?
Anisha, this is not something minor. You won't even know and you will become addicted. This is not the time to indulge such a thing. Are you sure everything is okay with you?
Of course. I'm a working woman. I'm an adult. यार आप लोग को पता भी है मेरी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, कितना स्ट्रेस है. Having coffee sometimes does not make me a criminal. Okay.
You have a boyfriend. That's normal. We are not saying anything. But this is too far.
You guys drink alcohol?
So?
How's that different from this?
अरे it is different बेटा. This is allowed in the society. और तुम्हें नहीं पता कॉफी से क्या हो सकता है?
It's against the law. It's bad, okay? कल तुम्हें भी देखेंगे टीवी पर. मालिनी का बेटा पता है, वो भी शुरू में कभी कभी कॉफी पीता था. फिर then he started with thumbs up. फिर माउंटेन ड्यू. और अभी तो वो रिहैब में है. तुम्हें भी जाना है क्या रिहैब या जेल?
Stop being so melodramatic, okay? मुझे कोई रिहैब नहीं लेके जा रहा है, alright? और आप लोग ना please थोड़ा न्यूज़ कम देखा करो यार.
And this is not the point. What you are doing at home, that's wrong, beta. Do you need a counselor to talk?
No. Okay, but people drink coffee to deal with a stressful life and job. Any good counselor will also tell you that. Okay.
तुम अगर पकड़ी गई ना तो हमारा नाम खराब होगा. और तुम्हें किसी ने ऑफिस में देख लिया तो तुम्हारी जॉब जा सकती है.
My boss also drinks coffee. Now, if you're done with your panic attack and being melodramatic, can I please get back to my work?
Anisha, this is not over. We will talk at home, right? ये देखो, यहाँ भी वही चल रहा है.
Guys, I'm getting a breaking news now that 2 dealers have been arrested as part of our crackdown on celebrity coffee consumption.
जय तो नहीं है ना?
This is what I call fighting back. Let's hear it from our correspondent now.
हे भगवान!
Daddy.
Roshan Kumar, one of the city's prominent producers, has been rumored to be supplying various pop stars and actors with coffee. We can see here his picture with an accomplice who was summoned for questioning today.